Welcome to my dear students in extra English class. Today I am going to teach you the students of class 9th CVSE. The name of the book is Moments or Supplementary Reader. This is the first chapter of that very book, and the name of the first chapter is The Lost Child. The Lost Child has been written by Mulk Raj Anand. The Lost Child has been written by Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand was a famous Indian writer. He was a great novelist and story writer too. He got many prizes, Padma Bhushan prizes, along with so many prizes. This present story is one of the nicest piece of himself. Now, I want to say about the characters. There are three characters. First of all, I write the name of the chapter, the Lost Child. This is the name of the chapter, and this is the first chapter of Moment or Supplementary Reader. And this very nice chapter has been written by Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand. There are three main characters in this story. One, the child. Second, the parents. Third, the kind person. Who lifted the child. As I told that there are three main characters. One is the child, second is the parents, third is the kind person who lifted the child. There are only three characters in this chapter. And in this story, the writer has tried to exhibit the mental condition of a child and love for his parents. Now I start the chapter. It was a festival of spring. It was a festival of spring, and a held was arranged in the village. A held was arranged in the village. All the peoples, all kinds of peoples, children, the young men, the old men, the ladies, were very excited to visit the fair. In that excitement or in that group, there was a family, and that family was very little. There were three members in that family: one, the father, second, the mother, and the third, the child. Some people were going on foot, some people were going in bullock carts, and some resorted the other conveyance to visit the fair. As I told that, it was a village scene. That's why most of the people were excited to visit the fair. And the story moves or based on that very family, and that family or that small family was also going to the fair. They were marching. The boy was very excited and he wanted to visit the fair as soon as possible. And they were marching towards the fair. In the way, they saw that the toys of a shop of toys. In the way, the family saw the shops of toys. Since the child was of 9 or 10 year old, as soon as he saw the toy shops, he became very excited and he became very eager to visit the shop. He saw many different kinds of shop, and uh, for the easy and to understand easily, I have divided this very point into three parts. First point, first point, the toy shop. Then big mustard field. Again, small grove and banyan tree. In first phase, I shall describe all these 3 points, and in second phase, there are 5 points. First of all, sweet meat. Sweet meat seller. Gulmohar, garland. Gulmohar, garments. Third, balloons. Four, snake charmer. And the fifth, roundabout. और swing. अब एक एक पॉइंट को मैं डिस्क्राइब करने जा रहा हूँ कि जब वो बच्चा अपनी फैमिली के साथ वो फेयर की ओर जा रहा है तो सबसे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द चाइल्ड सॉ many toy shops. The child saw many toy shops. He went near the shops, and he went near the shops, and he saw that many toys had been displayed, and he wanted to have many toys. He wanted to have many toys, but his parents denied, and he had to come back. His parents told him to see the beauty of mustard field, which is the second point. His parents called him to see the mustard field, and it was a very big mustard field. It was the symbol of nature, and it seemed that somebody had sprayed molten or melting gold on the field. It looked very beautiful, and it representing the very beautiful scene of nature. As soon as the boy saw that very field, he forgot the toy shops. He entered into that very field. He was ecstasy of joy. जैसे ही बच्चे को उस फील्ड के बारे में बताया गया उसके पेरेंट्स ने, तो वह टॉय के शॉप को भूल गया और वो आकर के फील्ड में अंदर घुसा। उसने देखा कि बहुत सारे पौधे जो हैं मस्टर्ड के, द प्लांट्स वर फ्लटरिंग एंड डांसिंग इन द जेंटिल ब्रीज, और वो हवा में, प्राकृतिक हवा में वो पौधे लहरा रहे थे और बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहे थे। बच्चों ने इसको देखा, उस बच्चे ने इस फील्ड को देखा, एंड ड्रैगन फ्लाइज and butterflies were also hovering in the field. The boy wanted to have the butterflies because there were different colors of butterflies in the field. There were different kinds of butterflies in the field. He was about to catch one of the butterfly when he was called by his parents. And his parents ordered him to see the स्मॉल ग्रोव, यानी इस ये छोटी सी एक बगिया थी, छोटा सा एक बगीचा था जिसमें से देयर वर फ्लावर प्लांट्स, देयर वर बिग ट्रीज ऑल्सो, एंड इट वॉज ऑल्सो ए वेरी ब्यूटीफुल ग्रोव। ये बहुत ही सुंदर कुंज था, यानी पेड़ों का कुंज, आम के बड़े बड़े पेड़ थे और दूसरे भी पेड़ थे। तो जैसे ही ये जो थे पेरेंट्स, दे वर सिटिंग near the entry gate of the grove. The boy was called, and the boy also entered into the grove. As soon as he was entering into the grove, many flower petals were started raining on his head. He wanted to pick up the petals. He became engaged. He became engaged in collecting the petals. And after that, he wandered in the grove. He saw the beauty of the grove, and it was a very good, very beautiful grove also. After that, the boy was called to see the banyan tree, and there was a big banyan tree. It was very huge also. His parents were sitting under the banyan tree, and the boy also saw the banyan tree. He became amazed to see such a big tree. And after that, seeing all these things, means first of all टॉय शॉप उन्होंने देखा, उसके बाद बिग मस्टर्ड फील्ड भी देखा, उसके बाद स्मॉल ग्रोव भी देखा, और अब वो लोग बेनियन ट्री आकर के सबों ने देखा और पुनः मेले के रास्ते में आ गए वो लोग। They all came on the road and marched towards the fair. जब रोड पर आए तो फिर मेले की तरफ, फेयर की तरफ वो लोग बढ़ने लगे। And after some time they entered, or the small family entered into the fair yard. And first of all, what did they see? First of all, in second point I have described, first of all they saw the sweet meat seller. क्या था कि जब रास्ते में करीब वो मेले के यार्ड में पहुंचने लगे और उसके जद में पहुंचने लगे, उसके मेले में पहुंचने लगे, तो सबसे पहले देखा कि बहुत सारे स्वीट मीट सेलर्स थे, और द स्वीट मीट शॉप वर डेकोरेटेड, and there were different items displayed in the shops. Different items had been displayed in the shop, and the sweet meat seller was crying gulab jamun, rasagulla, barfi and jalebi. And barfis were decorated in a specific manner, and silver leaves and gold leaves were on the barfi. Barfi was the one of the choicest sweet of that very child. The child was tempted, his mouth watered, and he wanted to have barfi. He requested his parents to have some barfi, but they did not allow, or they did not buy barfi for the child. And after that, again the family proceeded further, and secondly they saw gulmohar garlands. They reached completely in the yard of fair, and they saw the gulmohar garlands. There were gardeners, and there was a gardener, and he was selling the beautiful gulmohar garlands. There were many garlands also, and as soon as the boy saw those garlands, he wanted to have those garlands and one of the garlands, but his parents was not agree. He did not give him even a garland. Again, they reached where the balloons were being sold. Different colors of balloons were being sold. Different colors of balloons were being sold. Since he was a child of 9 or 10-year-old, that's why he wanted to have the balloon. But his family और his parents were so niggard, इतने कंजूस थे कि उन्होंने अपने बच्चे के लिए एक बलून तक भी खरीद के नहीं दिया। और being disappointed, the child has to come back. अब फिर वो अपने मदर फादर के पास आया। उसके बाद फिर उसने क्या देखा कि देयर वॉज ए स्नेक चार्मर। देयर वॉज ए स्नेक चार्मर, ही वॉज प्लेइंग फ्लूट। द स्नेक चार्मर वॉज प्लेइंग फ्लूट and the snake was also dancing. To see that very scene, the boy became highly excited, but his family again ordered him to go from there, and the child with his family came near a roundabout. Roundabout का मतलब होता है झूला। जिस झूले पर हम लोग झूलते हैं उसे राउंड अबाउट कहते हैं। अब वो बच्चा जो था राउंड अबाउट के पास आया। राउंड अबाउट में उन्होंने क्या देखा कि डिफरेंट एज के लोग जो थे वे झूले पर चढ़ रहे थे, उसका एंजॉय कर रहे थे, आनंद ले रहे थे। और अब जो लड़का जो था बहुत ज़्यादा हेड स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गया, बहुत ज़िद्दी हो गया। एनी हाउ ही वांटेड टू एंजॉय राउंड अबाउट्स, यानी झूले का एंजॉय वो करना चाहता था। एंड ही सॉ the children, the young men, the old men, the ladies, and different kinds of persons who were enjoying the fair or who were enjoying the roundabouts. And he also wanted to enjoy the roundabouts. He turned back. But what did he see? He saw that his parents were missing. उसने देखा कि उसके पेरेंट्स जो थे वह नहीं थे। To see that, the boy became highly amazed. लड़का बहुत ही आश्चर्यचकित हो गया, ये क्या हो गया? He lost his mental balance. He searched his mother and father here and there. He was running in the fair. मेले में दौड़ रहा था, वो अपने माँ बाप को वह चिल्ला रहा था। He was crying, mother and father, where are you? I want to see you. I want to meet you. वह तरह तरह से बात चिल्ला रहा था, वो दौड़ रहा था मेले में। However, he tried his best to find out his parents, but he failed to see the parents, to meet the parents, because there was no any address of his parents. He was crying at the top of his voice. He and the other people also heard, but it was a big crowd. That's why nobody bothered to come near the child. The child was crying, and in the crying state, he went to a shrine. वह एक shrine के पास पहुंचा, and he was searching his mother and father. He was searching his parents, but he was not finding his parents, and he was crying. When he cried at the top of his voice, he became tired, and then he started sobbing. There was a very kind person who heard his plight sound or miserable sound. And I have already told that there was a big crowd. मैंने क्या कहा कि भीड़ तो विलेज में जो फेयर लगता है उसे तो सभी कोई देखते हैं, कितनी ज़्यादा भीड़ होती है। और ये चूँकि स्प्रिंग फेयर था तो इसमें बहुत सारी भीड़ थी। किसी तरह से वो जो बालक था, वो जो लड़का था, पैरों से घुसते हुए, पैरों में के बीच में घुस करके वो श्राइन तक पहुंचा था। और वो जो सज्जन थे, वो व्यक्ति जो थे, वो जेंट्री जो थे, वो किसी तरह से बच्चे के पास आए। एनी हाउ ही लिफ्टेड द चाइल्ड, किसी तरह से उसने बच्चे को उठाया। एंड ही ट्राइड हिज बेस्ट टू कंसोल द चाइल्ड, और उन्होंने बहुत काफ़ी कोशिश की कि बच्चों को किसी तरह से सांत्वना दिया जाए, बच्चों को किसी तरह से ढाढ़स दिया जाए, क्योंकि बच्चे बहुत रो रहे थे। और कोई एक सच्चा और अच्छा इंसान रहे तो रोते हुए बच्चे को, रोते हुए इंसान को वह नहीं देख सकता है। उसके मन में दया का सागर फूट जाता है और वो अपना सब कुछ दे करके भी उसे मदद करना चाहता है। ये है एक महान व्यक्ति की एक झलक और एक महान व्यक्ति का नेचर जो कि उन्होंने दिखाया। उसने बच्चे को गोद में उठाया, बच्चे को बहुत ज़्यादा उन्होंने उसे समझाने की कोशिश की। उन्होंने इसके पेरेंट्स के बारे में पूछा, लेकिन बच्चा कुछ भी जवाब नहीं दे रहा था। ही वॉज ओनली क्राइंग मदर एंड फादर, फादर एंड मदर, मदर एंड फादर। ही वॉज रिपीटिंग दोज वर्ड्स लाइक द मंत्रास। वो उन वर्ड्स को मंत्र की भांति बार बार उच्चारण कर रहा था। कुछ भी वो सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं था। लेकिन वो इंसान जो था वह भी बिल्कुल अडिग था। वह भी किसी तरह से बच्चे को चुप कराना चाहता था। उसने बच्चे को उठाया, बच्चे को लेकर के चला और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सबसे पहले वो राउंड अबाउट के पास आया और झूले पर कहा उसे कि वुड यू एंजॉय द राउंड अबाउट, वुड यू राइड on the roundabout or the swing? The child denied. He was only demanding his father and mother. After that, sometime he took the boy near the snake charmer, and there was same decency of the snake charmer, but the child did not like that because the circumstances was changed. When first time he saw the snake charmer, he became very happy. He wanted to see the activity of the snake, but it was not the same position. The boy was in critical position. He had lost his mother and father, and he had become annoyed. That's why he did not like to see the snake charmer. After that, he was brought near the gulmohar garlands, near the gardener who was selling the gulmohar garlands, but the boy was not stopping. He was continuously crying. He was searching his mother and father, and after some time, the gentleman took the boy near the sweetmeat seller, and there were many items, and all the items had been displayed. The boy who liked the barfi फ्रॉम द कोर ऑफ हिज हार्ट, वह लड़का जो कि बर्फ़ी को तहे दिल से चाहता था, लेकिन उसने बर्फ़ी लेना भी पसंद नहीं किया और कंटिन्यूसली वो क्राई कर रहा था। वो चिल्ला रहा था, ज़ोर ज़ोर से चिल्ला रहा था। उसके ऊपर कंट्रोल करना बहुत ही मुश्किल हो गया था। लेकिन सज्जन तो सज्जन होते हैं, उन्होंने बहुत कोशिश की, लेकिन वो बच्चा चुप नहीं हुआ। यहीं पर स्टोरी समाप्त हो जाती है। और स्टोरी समाप्त होने के बाद भी क्या होता है कि अब ये मुल्कराज आनंद जो हैं वो ये बताना चाहते हैं कि यहाँ पर स्टोरी समाप्त हुई और वो लिसनर, वो रीडर्स के एक्साइटमेंट को बरकरार बनाए रखना चाहते हैं, जिसके चलते उन्होंने स्टोरी को अनफिनिश्ड रख दिया। एंड अब मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग शायद जो भी मेरे वीडियोज़ को देखते हैं, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो फिर हम देंगे कल और परसों। ओके, थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे।